Welcome to Meals Without Meat. Today we are kicking off our summer series just in time for 4th of July. And we'll be making a potato salad, because what is better than bringing a vegan potato salad to a potluck or your barbecue or however you're celebrating the holiday. What we have here are about 2 pounds of potatoes. You can have 2 small avocados or 1 large avocado, 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard, a teaspoon of dill weed, also with lemon pepper and a pinch of salt for seasoning. I have about 1/4 of a large red onion, 2 celery stalks cut, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of agave nectar, and 1/4 a cup of water. The very first step is to peel the potatoes. So you want to peel the potatoes and then we'll cube them and then throw them in water to boil. So I don't know about you all, but when I first became vegan, this is one of the things that I thought I would forever miss out on. Now, I have fond memories of making potato salad as a child before I was vegan. Most of you know I did become vegan when I was 12. I'm sorry, vegetarian when I was 12. I became vegan as an adult. But as a child, under that, like 10 years old, I remember making potato salad with my mom, and I was surprised at all the ingredients in it. And so, nonetheless, they're not vegan-friendly ingredients, so I really didn't think that this would be something that I would be able to enjoy any longer. And, of course, I was wrong. And that's one of the reasons why we started Meals Without Meat. Like, there's practically nothing that we can't enjoy as vegans that we used to enjoy back in our lives. We're filled with animal products and foods that were not cruelty-free. This recipe is actually from High Carb Hannah, who was one of the first people that I began to follow as a vegan. And this is in her cookbook called Fully Cooked. And I've tried this recipe multiple times and I love it. It is really spot on and it's tasty and it'll taste just like you remember. Now that the potatoes are chopped and peeled, we're going to go ahead and put them into boiling water. It should take about 20 minutes. It might be more or less, so just make sure you do a taste test and make sure that the texture is right, because whatever it's like when you take it out of the water is what it's going to taste like in the potato salad. So make sure it's a good texture, soft but not mushy. As you all have probably noticed, I am not wearing an apron today. Instead, I am wearing a bodysuit from fiercest.com. It is actually a Black-owned business. The owner is so fierce and so beautiful that I am gladly rocking this bodysuit. What I love best about the website is that it is truly rare items. So I won't see everybody else in the same outfits that I have. Once it's on the website, you want to get it as soon as possible, because when it is gone, it is gone. And it is completely see-through, which means that you can spice it up with different colors for the tube bra area. And I just chose to go with white today just to keep it all seamless. But I really like this. It's just a funky piece, and I love, love, love bodysuits because they just fit perfectly in jeans and in dresses. Love it. Shop fiercest.com. The potatoes have already boiled and they are ready to go. And so now it gets pretty simple from here. We're going to go ahead and cut our avocados open and just go ahead and scoop everything out. So I'm going to go ahead and take the dill weed and the lemon pepper. Remember, this is about a teaspoon of dill weed, about a teaspoon of lemon pepper, and then a pinch of salt. About 1/4 of a large onion, red onion. 2 celery stalks. Spicy brown mustard. The agave nectar and apple cider vinegar. And a 1/4 cup of water. Now that everything is in here, we're going to just go ahead and stir it all up, and then we'll be ready to go to our barbecue for 4th of July looking cute with some delicious food. Well, what could be better? I'm a simple woman. Stir it really well. Obviously, the avocado is what's making us creamy, so make sure you get that all over. Oh, you know what? We will not be quite ready because you have to let this get cold first. That is a key step. Why you just ain't eat it cold? Now I'll do the ultimate taste test. Obviously, you serve it cold. Once again, you eat it cold. But we'll just go ahead and taste it. I told you, it's literally just like you remember. So good, so creamy, ready to rock and roll, and to have people excited about the vegan lifestyle at the 4th of July barbecue. Thank you all for tuning in. Enjoy your Independence Day. We are found on Facebook, facebook.com/mealswithoutmeat, and I am Meatless Maven on Instagram. Very soon we will really launch the website. I am so serious. It will be coming soon, so stay tuned. Find us on these other social media networks so that you'll know when it launches. And we also talk about our travel adventures. Traveling as a vegan can be a little bit challenging, but it is not that challenging. We always do it successfully. Follow us on Black Adventures 6 on Instagram to see all the cool places we travel to and all the delicious things that we eat over there. Ciao. Talk to you guys next week, and we'll talk about the next thing that you can bring to the summer parties, and it will be a pasta salad. So just let you know, we'll teach you how to make pasta salad vegan style. Peace.